Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah man, I'm Mikey today.
Oh yeah.
Never put on a shirt, I'm hot. Yeah man.
Up here strong.
Yeah man, respect for the strong,
Yeah
you know?
man.
Yeah.
Morgan.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, you see me I say?
Yeah man.
Bishop.
I wanna make this happen, you know? Respect for that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, cause I tell you, low fish tea, you know? Yeah,
Food in the
man,
kitchen.
fish them man, you know? Turn in the
Yeah.
soap.
Oh.
You see me I say, look,
Yeah.
yeah man, you know, see it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, a banana, a okra, a Irish, a carrot, a scallion, a onion, I took out everything.
Everything.
Everything, I don't have to number just throw one, never caught no fish. Yeah man, so it's here, you know. I boil out the fish them, you know, so them stay.
Oh.
Fish have to boil out, you know.
Boil out.
Yeah, whole heap of fish have boil out, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you see? Alright. Yeah man, so let me this them thing, man. Yeah man, kill it. Yeah man, see that?
What a pork
You want pork for the ladies, them never start get the chicken yet.
Yeah.
The later chicken I go chop up.
and the fish.
Yeah, for the original youth them.
Yeah.
See that?
And the
Ladies them
pork for the
food this,
pork
yeah?
pie. Yeah.
Ladies them food this and white rice and too much rice and peas, they can't cook rice and peas now.
Yeah. And the white rice.
Yeah man, see that pork them soft. Well seasoned up on this Marvin.
Change my dad.
General chicken, my general eat and fish. Them man, you see?
Yeah. Say no me
Street
have
paper.
no
Ah, ladies are bungle place to look more, you know? You have to feed them thing this.
shit. And
Yeah,
the
man.
other one there.
Well seasoned and curry down and, you know? So we do the things, you know?
So you don't know we have some donation for your birthday, you know.
Yeah man, you see him?
Yeah,
Sell
them.
your money, can buy up some more thing, you know?
Yeah man.
All the more thing you can buy, you know?
Yeah
Buy
then.
some more chicken, curry. I can't back right no box case.
Yeah.
Chicken we're gonna work with for the back right now.
Yeah. So the
You see?
national dish case right
Yeah
now.
man, national dish, so I told it now, you see me?
Uptown
Get
dish.
to your thing now.
Yeah.
Yeah man, get the thing I did right now, some chicken and white rice I've done.
Alright.
I like them thing you first so you can drink some soap.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah man.
So we're gonna start out the donation for you, so by the time we're ready up and running.
Yeah, my people, me love you know, respect for the honor, you know. Yeah man, I want to make this go on, you know. Possibly, you know.
Yeah.
Respect for you know. Yeah man, love you know. Pick up everybody again, you see? Yeah man, mama of God, you know. Everybody, faith, all of them, you know.
Everybody
Walla.
will donate.
You know, all of Jenna, no clocks, you see?
Yeah.
Walla, respect, you know, Walla. See nothing, man, do it. Yeah man.
Shit.
Everybody, big up for themselves, love you know.
Yeah.
People, yeah man. Apple.
Yeah, apple pie is almost big up, you know.
Yeah man, Jenna, apple
Drink
pie. Later, me all the reason later, apple pie.
Yeah.
Yeah man, apple pie, big up yourself, yeah.
Shit.
Only part of the ass spoil and everything. Yeah man, if you come to the city in Apple. Yeah man.
Alright.
Not the man, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah man, boss, man, you see?
See it.
Actually, I'm gonna do the damage for
Jen. There, man. Cut them in there, so. So they and the team there, you know.
There.
So there we like a contribution from a lady named Dimple.
Yeah.
So she want to buy the work of them a drink, you see me? She also say we need to buy a bottle of white rum for the work of them and they want a drink.
Favorite rum.
You see me? Because they don't know God's birthday, so they want to drink something on God's birthday. The favorite rum. And lemon.
Black man rum. Which is
The team there, because dream team them say. You see me?
Yeah, that Prince.
I have man like Wormy from Dimple.
Yeah,
2000
give
from
thanks to the
Dimple.
mama. Dimple, bless
From
her.
the UK.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dimple, you know. See it, my little touch him again. Give
Yeah.
thanks. Big up. Dimple
that?
from UK.
Yes,
Give thanks.
See man with the pickaxe. General give you a strength, same way.
Yeah, thanks,
From Dimple, from the UK.
Yeah, respect Dimple.
Yeah,
Much
thing
thanks.
go. Yeah. And you have liquor. Lady will bring the cement as usual.
Dimple give thanks. Walk the basket will ever full and Father God not so sing with everybody.
Yeah. I have man like Talpi.
Yeah, Dimple once again, baby, give thanks, you know. Bless it, you know. Yeah, man, there you go, all the same way, you hear that?
Yeah.
All the call of people.
Come here, found that music. Who play that music then? Because I have a donation fee as well to the people them see.
Yeah, man, bless Dimple. Give thanks to the donation,
Yeah.
and that's it.
I have Jella. From the scene, see me.
Big up yourself, you see me, more life.
Yeah.
Thanks and respect.
Because it's a God's birthday. You should want to make sure everybody have something in them pocket for God's birthday.
All them a laugh,
Out
sir.
there, all I drink, see them here.
All them a laugh, sir.
God has whoa, so God has birthday and there. Yeah. Friday.
Angela birthday
Happy birthday. Yeah, see that?
And we have gelatin, you hear that? Yeah, hear that. Left man, left man, 22, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you hear that? Yeah, hear that.
Alright. Now we have one like Lady.
Yeah.
Lady over there from Dimple and the
Yeah,
UK.
thanks in the Dimple and like your good work, you know, continue, you know. Yeah, cause we are doing good work for you know, help people that we need to get them.
Yeah.
So many thanks.
See there. Coxman. From
Yeah, when I do
Dimple from the UK.
no flow, respect. More than respect. Continue. They are good.
Yeah. I have one like Marvin from Dimple from the UK.
From the UK, give thanks. And it have many respect. The world, as I say, are the most high. Who know? You see? So we love you, you know? You see? Bless you.
Yeah, man.
Slim Diamond.
Yeah, my general.
From Dimple from the UK.
Give thanks, you know, Miss Dimple. More life and strength, you know.
Yeah.
Manage with glad people to support, you know.
Yes, cheers.
Big up yourself.
Yes.
Same way. Everyone on the love and you stay here.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
After next month, when anybody get cold, alive, you know what?
Alive.
Who know, don't. Keep the same way.
Alright then. Yeah, boy, yeah. The chef
Yeah, man.
from Dimple.
Dimple. I know Dimple. Smile for me. Only for Dimple.
Yeah.
Dimple and me, man. You see, you know what this about?
Yeah,
You know what I
shit.
do? Only for soup of a boy right now.
Oh.
Yeah, man. She and half for the chicken and food. You know?
Ah, stretch a long way.
Stretch it. Dimple, respect your Dimple.
Yeah, see that.
Yeah, Dimple, respect your Dimple.
I have one like Jin.
Up top, bro.
They up on the scene, you know, from Dimple. Yeah.
All the blessings got them here. All the love and respect for this right. Yeah, good thing. You see what I said?
Yeah.
So blessings and respect.
Blessings and give thanks.
Yeah, man. All the
You see
love.
me? So you don't know where else more donation. Come in, Chad. I'm sure one of the man do with strength as well. So as I said, Dimple from the overseas. She want to work with them about drink.
Yeah.
So they have a drink same here. You see me and make sure so never have thing on the pocket same here. So it's from Dimple from the UK. So you can tell us a Dimple work for man.
Respect my auntie.
Love you, and them thing there. I tell you.
Grateful.
Yeah, man, Dimple, and the strength they push out a while ago. Love it, you hear that?
Yeah.
Man, eat a fool in the Dimple. I tell you, Dimple, John, no Dimple, even know. Smile and see a Dimple, no man.
Yeah.
Respect in a Dimple. Yeah, man. You hear that, Jella?
Yeah.
Boy, my blessing.
You see it there. Well, look at that. See this. One say, smile. Lady.
Jella. Jella Ranks.
Lady, this is from H. From London. And say, see we are going, you know. Man, we are the pickaxe.
Yeah, man, thanks, yeah, Edge. And big up yourself, yeah, many thanks. More love.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, H, man, boy, come and H me now.
Yeah.
I tell you, I love watch your channel, yo, H. That's not no man. Respect your H. You hear that?
Yeah.
HQ, everything. You see that's right?
Everything.
So the things.
So from Prince. So from Princess Black. From Florida. $6,000 towards your materials, towards the cars. Yeah.
Princess Black from Royal HQ.
From Florida.
From Florida.
Yeah.
You give yourself Princess Black. Enough love, enough strength, guide and protect you.
Respect Prince Black, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whole heap of black, you know, like black people.
Del Caro. So from Queen Clear for your birthday.
Yeah.
In Canada. $4,000.
Queen Clear.
Queen Clear.
Yo, Queen Clear. I tell you, see you now. You know, I talk Queen Clear. You know, when you for the floor now, birthday.
Yeah.
And you them there, have to tap it up, you know. Yeah, respect corner, yeah, clear. Only for crystal clear, yeah, come like water, you can see through.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, crystal clear. Respect and love you, yeah.
Shit.
Love you, crystal clear.
I have Lem from H. From London. $2,000 from H.
Give thanks to the Edge. You know, men love and strength. That's it.
Yeah.
Body for energy, you know? Yeah. Guidance.
Right. Carl. Great Carl. Spraga. And moment. $2,000 from H. From London.
Yeah, man, big up in the edge.
Yeah. And to say, yeah. Marvin. Yeah, Marvin. This is from Da Vinci. $3,000 from the US.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci for the US. Give thanks and praise, you know. Most I bless you. You see, because this is about far away, my general.
Yeah.
You see, because this is the hard work, or we are put in, and for love. You see, and respect from earth. You see, so give thanks, Da Vinci.
Sure. I have liquor. I have $2,000 from H. From London. Yeah, H from London.
H from London. Give God thanks and bless you and bless each and every one of you for constantly the journey, just like how we constantly journey same way. Otherwise, our skin also, Father God bless him same way.
Carl. From Da Vinci. Every man I say, yo, Carl, always the planet, you never leave it, you know. The man was like a speech, so Da Vinci. $3,000 from the US.
Man, as in a joint venture, and give thanks to this, you know, because I don't know. It's a go far away. We appreciate the donation. But how small it is.
Yeah,
Thanks, you see me?
Yeah. Sure. Prince. Prince himself. $10,000 from H. From London.
One day in there.
$10 from H. From London.
H from London. Pick up yourself, H from London. Enough love, enough strength. Love how you keep up the good work, said we make the house done with and everything. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guide and protect H.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
And you also have liquor. It's from Miss Harvey from Canada. So,
Harvey.
yeah. So Miss Harvey from Canada. Come from St. Anne's there. So Miss Harvey in Canada, $5,000 from Miss Harvey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, from Miss Harvey in Canada.
Miss Harvey, in Canada, thank you for your blessing, and more blessings on top of blessing. And our Father God strive you, and cover you, and honor you, to each and one of you.
Yeah. Yeah, God,
Yeah, man, brother, man, you see?
you know anything already?
Yeah, man.
H from London.
Yeah.
To Earth Strong,
Yeah, man.
$5,000 from H.
H from London.
Yeah.
Like HBO, you know, that's something if you watch HBO straight.
Yeah.
H, big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, man, like H crew. Remember, I'm tell you, hear that? Yeah, man, HD, everything in H, you hear that? Respect your H.
Everything in there.
Only for honor too. Respect anything you say.
Are you with only HBO?
Yeah, man, HBO in a car, you see?
Yeah.
Respect H, what's the name?
Yeah. Prince.
Yeah.
It's from Elaine from the UK.
Respect your H.
From the UK.
Six.
6. From Elaine.
Elaine from the UK. Pick up yourself, Elaine from the UK. Enough love, enough strength. Guide and protect you. You can keep up a good job, Selby. Blessed love, Elaine.
Respect your alien, because I love how you push stuff in the youth, you know?
Yeah.
Respect your alien.
Marvin. Marvin from So Simple Entertainment. $1,500.
So simple, blessed love, you see? Blessed respect. Now you are far with you see? Give thanks. So simple.
Yeah. I have liquor from So Simple as well Entertainment from the US. $1,500.
So what?
So Simple.
So simple, bless you, and more bless, on top of bless. And may the good Lord guide and protect you and keep you.
Are you that?
Yeah.
You that?
Marvin. Is that from Miss Harvey in Canada? She come from St. Anne's there. She live in Canada, Miss Harvey. $4,000.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Thanks, you know, blessed love, you know. Most I cover you, you keep you going, see how you bless you, you know.
Yeah.
We're putting the hard work, you know.
Yes, yes.
So enough respect and
For
love.
the dream team, you know them say the dream team.
Enough respect.
Yeah. Delgado. Earth Strong. Princess Black, Florida. $2,000.
Princess Black in Florida. $2,000. And no Princess Black in Florida. New York, my place, Florida too. Yeah?
Yeah.
What no, yo. So buck up a Florida, man. Hear that? Princess Black. So nothing, man. Respect honor, yeah?
Yes, cheers.
It's the name I have, love it. Our black people.
God.
Princess Black. So nothing, respect honor, yeah, Black?
Yeah, cheers.
Yeah, man.
Carl. From Harvey. From Miss Harvey. She said it. The guy with the pretty braids, the Harvey did it. She showed me the picture and said, you. It's Harvey in Canada. $4,000. From Miss Harvey in Canada.
Give thanks, you know, Mr. Harvey. I appreciate the donation, you get me? I hope you continue to do the good work, likewise yourself.
Yes.
See, and more thanks and more strength, Mr. Harvey.
Yes. Sure. So the dream team and do the work. Delgado.
Yeah, man.
It's a Roxanne. Yeah, from England.
Roxanne from England.
Yeah.
Especially
So she
that.
want to send you a postcard,
Yeah.
but she never get to send it, so she just send you $3,000 for your birthday from Roxanne.
Roxanne from England. Need the postcard, you know, come on, so they pan it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Roxanne from England. Respect and honor, yeah?
She said,
Love you and Roxanne from England.
she said she want you to big up her cousin, Natasha.
Natasha?
Yeah.
Why
She
Natasha?
a nurse.
She a nurse?
Yeah, NHS staff.
Now fever and Natasha come on, come look. Night doctor, yeah? Respect your nurse. Night nurse, yeah? Natasha, respect her. Yeah, Anna too. Yeah, man, feel sick, Natasha, just come look for me weekend. Yeah? Yeah, Natasha, come look for me weekend, feel sick.
Sick.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Prince. Prince from Lorenzo and Maggie. Lorenzo and Maggie, $9,000 from Scotland. Towards your materials. Lorenzo and Maggie.
Lorenzo and Maggie, big up on yourself, much love, much strength, guide and protect you. Keep up the good work on I know.
From Scotland.
From Scotland.
Yeah.
Protection.
Scotland, yeah.
Bless up, Maggie.
I have Marvin also again. Because them say man always there beside my side. H from London.
H from London, blessed love, blessed respect, the most high guide and protect you, you know. You see, I always go to this, you know, the good work, I go find people that need help, so I love that, you see. So keep on, keep your health, be safe, you see, and make sure you always watch because we do the work for you, you know. Yes, sir.
Delgado, Da Vinci from the US. $3,000.
The DJ, Da Vinci. Da Vinci. You know Da Vinci. You know Da Vinci. You sing like you about what can. Yo, sing on Da Vinci, respect on her, yeah. Yeah, Da Vinci.
You just say
Da Vinci, respect on her for that, yeah.
And Delgado, $5,000. Everything for your birthday, you know.
Yes,
It's from Russian crew from Waterhouse in the UK. Russian crew.
Russian crew from the Waterhouse in the UK.
Yeah, $5,000.
Russian, all the Russian beat it to me a youth, you know. All the soldier Russian. Yo, yeah man, yo Russian, it's a nothing man, respect on her, yeah. Yeah man, all the Russian meat and a youth, look, isn't it? All the Russian, yeah man. All the slice bread and butter and things. Yeah, Russian, nothing in Russian, a winning man, yeah. Yo, big up Russian, yeah. Everything in that's the youth in Russian.
And this is from Miss Harvey for your birthday. $7,000 from Miss Harvey.
Harvey.
From Canada.
Miss Harvey from Canada.
Yeah.
Miss Harvey.
From St. Ansbay.
Yo, Miss Harvey from St. Ansbay in Canada. Yo, you never know. No, Miss Harvey. Roll for respect, yeah? Respect on her, yeah, Miss Harvey.
Yeah.
Even though you have to stretch it for the youth, them in a whole heap of youth. Yeah, man, enough plate for buy and fork, you hear that? Yeah, man, the youth, them eat enough, you see me? Miss Harvey, so nothing, man, respect on her, yeah? We do right enough, the youth, them eat a stretch fry, you know, and I'm alone, you know. Yeah, 10 pounds of chicken and curry and everything are going back hard for getting it. You hear that? Miss Harvey, that's nothing. Yeah, Miss Harvey, man, you hear that? Respect Miss Harvey, yeah?
Alright.
Well, everybody respect her for everybody, yeah?
Yeah, which is right.
Chicken back hard for getting it, you know, I did chicken.
Shit.
Yeah, man, a ghetto dish that, and a national dish, and a ghetto dish. So nothing half, man. Respect her, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I have Prince. $11,000 from Miss Harvey in Canada. Towards the material. 11 from Miss Harvey.
Big up yourself, Harvey family.
Canada. Yeah.
Big up yourself, Harvey family in Canada. Much love, much strength, guide and protect you. Love how you keep up the good work.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, man, Kano, man, how are you, man, you see? Yeah, man, can't be able to get that fresh up, you know. Yeah, man, you see? Got a cold bag for that, like the cold stove, you know. To finish the job for the youth, you see that? Yeah, man, Kano. Yeah, man, good.
But no, you have a shirt.
Yeah, cause, you know why? Here, pull out, you know.
Yeah.
Platinum, so. Something for you, you hear that? So except man Kino man, cause journalist stop it, you know, done. Rice done.
Yeah, rice done.
General needs. John,
Johnny.
no, never fix up for John. So,
Good man, the general good.
yeah, man, John, I need to drink some soup, I'm alright. A chicken never dealing right now, because I can't get a back. I get to this man dealing with chicken. Because chicken, I get to it. Chicken back, I get to it. You see me? National dish.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so we deal with it, man. Fix our cup for this, man.
Yeah.
man,
Fix up a cup for the birthday. Man.
Chicken.
Yeah, you this.
Chicken, I get the box, so if you want chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken, uptown people think like saltfish. Chicken,
Yeah.
work for chicken now, yeah.
Yeah, the work with it now.
Yeah, man.
Birthday is strong.
Yeah, man, look. Yeah, man, so.
I will give them rum, man.
All I drink,
Rum, no, man.
all the rum there
All them
for.
man, them feel rum, no, man.
Rum party.
Everything there, you know.
Yeah.
Not no block out.
The team there.
You know.
Good life, you know. Good life party.
Yeah.
Nice for love, you know.
Yeah, so nice.
We don't love, we can't go out, you know, we don't got the same.
Sure.
Yeah, you know.
Bless up the whole of anyone of them. Bless goes out to everybody. I love how you send out the thing to God and make it feel nice.
Yeah. And when Earth strong, we give thanks.
I'm going to pack up on it.
Yeah, man. 150 man in the ring.
Let me back on the game.
Yeah, man. Carry back to the...
The only girl with up on the journey saved me and she will never leave that journey. And God, Father God said yes, chapel and save me.
Sure.
Yes, alone it stopped. Many more journey.
It's not just the start.
Just the start.
Start these people. And we don't know. We are going to have it to make it go further and further. I want people that sponsor Kino. You hear me? Kino. I take that time out to say thanks to you again. That's never for you. The people them would know and see what going around. You see me?
Yeah, true.
So we appreciate you, Kino.
Yeah.
Father God, we can't let him out.
No.
And the donor them will make the thing happen.
For big them up, yeah.
No matter how small it is, still appreciate it.
Sure.
One love, same way.
God soon knows how Rima nice.
Wanna show us say yeah.
All of the body.
You want to do good to people, same way.
Yeah, for real.
And just we for reach out. And we are reach out and
With the goodness. Yeah.
Prince come say something to the people.
You see me?
Yeah.
Let's
True.
open ourselves people. One
Sure.
love,
And the
same way.
Prince come say something to the
The
whole
Prince
crowd.
himself.
Yeah.
People don't say
Look
nothing.
vibes, you know. This guy that thing turn out, you know.
Yeah.
And look good, you know. And bless you.
Well, at least you laugh still. You're supposed to.
Yeah,
at least.
nice.
Yeah, nice is nice. At least you're nice, you see me?
Up and
Up and running.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Whereas in house I do everything, so I thank the people that will donate towards your cars and everything. You see me, I say I'm big them up all the time.
Yeah, man, big up all the donors, them, man, you know.
Yeah.
I make the thing possible, man, you know.
True.
Yes.
So you still ain't get the wife yet. All for them so start calling to you.
Get one ahead, man.
Get one of them. I am made.
Get one ahead, man.
See there. Man,
What
made
is?
him.
Good
Alright.
life, make Prince get a wife.
Yeah, I need a good wife.
Yeah, man.
See there. A good wife.
He's a good one.
Lady and Coxman them there start play great Chinese checkers. Jamaican checkers. Lady, look what I go on.
See there, good life, you know. Chinese checker, you know.
Yeah,
Nice game for play, you know.
sure.
Learn.
Call I want a Jamaican checkers. Real life.
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.